Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Wake Up Wednesday. I have been loving your feedback about these videos, so thank you so much. If you're not already following me on Facebook and Instagram, head on over, Rebecca Louise Fitness. You can check out my daily routine, what I eat, what workouts I do, all that kind of fun stuff. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Join our family. So I am fired up because not only is this just a Wake Up Wednesday, I'm also actually going to be sharing with you a really cool video inside this video about something that I surprised my mum with a couple of weeks ago. So I cried watching this video, so maybe you'll cry as well. My mum was super emotional. Anyway, we're going to get started and we're going to talk about some steps on how to make the right choices, like just about choices in life, like how do you know you're making the right ones, like what are the right suggestions, and all that fun stuff. So we're going to get started. First one is, I love this quote. It's only take advice from people that you would trade places with. So follow the people who have what you want. So sometimes it's not even a good idea to ask your friends or family if something's a good choice, because if they don't have what you want, they might just steer you in the wrong direction. So what I've always done is, if I'm not sure about a choice that I want to make, or if I think it's a good idea, I look at the people who have done something already and made that decision or made that choice already, and I'm like, I'm going to follow you because I want what you have. So that's really always my biggest tip, is don't take advice from someone you wouldn't trade places with, and make choices based on people that you want to be like, and choices that they have made rather than just friends and family. Okay, number 2. Will this choice that you make have a positive or a negative impact, okay, on the future? So maybe you're thinking, there's a really negative choices out there. Maybe you're going to hang around with this group of friends, or you're going to do this kind of activity that you shouldn't be doing. How is that going to affect you in the future? Because there's things sometimes that happen that you do and you don't really think that they're going to matter in the future, and they do. So just make sure that the decisions and the choices that you're making are going to have a positive impact in the future. Number 3, does it feel good when you think about the choice will lead to? Okay, so if it's like, okay, I want to go to this school, I'm deciding whether I want to go to this school or this school. Now, picture yourself at both schools. Think like, okay, I've made the decision that I'm going to go to school A. How does that make you feel? Are you like, oh, I actually like that, that feels really good? Like, put yourself into that situation. Put yourself into what it's going to lead to in the future. So for me personally, I decided to make a YouTube channel a bunch of years ago, and for me, I knew it was going to be a good decision because I was looking into the future. I knew that any company that I worked with was going to be the right decision because I looked into the future about what that was going to look like, not just a temporary choice, but always things in the future. So does it feel good? Does it feel good when you think about that choice? And talking about feeling good, I'm going to play a little video right now about a choice that I made 5 years ago to sign up to be an amazing distributor for an incredible company. I'm just so grateful that I get the experience and opportunity, and I said yes. And all of this stuff, by the way, all of this YouTube actually came from a decision I made 5 years ago before I created this channel. So I'm going to play you guys a little video about my team, and if you want more information about how you can sign up and become a team member, then all the details in the description below. I still have 3 more tips for you, so make sure you watch the video and then come back to me.
Welcome, this is the Team Fearless Life Extravaganza Shake Party. We've got t-shirts ready to go, we've got lift-off shorts ready to go, we've got Formula 1 ready to go, loads of different flavours. Let's get fired up! Woo!
For like trusting me and trusting the process when I'm like on the phone, like, you gotta get your butt to extravaganza. You're gonna see it, and I'm so excited to build like more relationships and more friendships with you. 8 years ago, it's a crazy story. My mom went into a Louis Vuitton store. She walked up to the counter and she got all her money, and it was a bit more expensive than what she found out it was online. They said, well, unfortunately, that's just how much it is, and if you can't afford it, you can't afford it. And my mum cried in Louis Vuitton, and I just thought, I am never, ever gonna let my mum go through that again, because I have nothing for you.
And I'd hate to see
oh, I love my team, and I want more of you guys to be part of it as well. So if you want to be in our next video, our next trip, our next travel adventure, then make sure you either just hit up me on Instagram, Rebecca Louise Nutrition, okay, not Rebecca Louise Fitness, Rebecca Louise Nutrition, and also you can sign up with the details below and get registered for our call that we have every Wednesday. Okay, so number 4, sometimes you need to make a few choices to decide if it's the right one. Have you ever thought like, okay, I could say yes to this and this and this. Say yes to like a bunch of things, and then you're going to be able to make that decision of which is the right choice for you. So don't just limit yourself to one thing, okay? Take a couple of things. Number 5, what is the bigger vision for you? Where is it that you want to go? So I ask this question on a daily basis because choices can be daily. If you want to have an amazing transformation in 30 days, what you do on a daily basis is going to make a difference. So you have to wake up, you go, I'm going to have the right breakfast. Am I going to have a cheat meal today? Am I going to work out? These are all choices that are going to lead to the bigger picture. Am I going to study today to be able to get that grade that I want in the exam so that I can get to this certain school? Am I going to do extra work at the job I'm working for so that I get that promotion? Like all these things, daily choices. So always have the bigger vision in your head. Okay, we sometimes just get, you know, knocked over with things that we do daily, but those are the things that really create our big time vision. So give it everything that you've got every single day, make those choices, and you're going to be able to have an incredible life up into the future. Okay, we are going to go on to number 6. Are you going to be making a difference with the choices that you are making? A difference in the world, a positive choice. Because sometimes we think like, you know, I'm not really sure if what I'm doing is going to have a great impact on the people around me or part of the community. So it's really, really important to go, okay, this decision am I making? Does it have a good impact on the community? Does it have a good impact on me? Does it have a good impact on my friends and family? Does it have a good impact on the people around me? Because if it's something negative, you might want to steer away from that. So remember, it's not just about you with these choices that you make, it's about how you're going to have influence on the world. And number 7, you guys know that 7 is my lucky number, so I always save it to the end. This is a good one. Remember that your choices are yours. That's why they're called your choice. It's your choice. Now, whether you're thinking, well, Rebecca, I don't have a choice because I've got to pay these bills and I've got to do this. Now, you got to take that all out. I've said this before. When you start to understand that you have a choice about every single thing that you do and every single thing that you own, okay, you have the choice to be able to change your life and to be able to do something different and to be able to get the grades that you want. Stop putting blame on other people. Stop putting responsibility on other people. Take 100% responsibility with 0 excuses. And that's when you're going to realize that you actually have a choice about everything that you do. So that is what I'm going to lead you with. Let's just recap real quickly. We're going to follow people who we want to be like. Take their choices. Will this choice be positive or negative? Does it feel good when you think about the choice, what will lead to? And sometimes we need to make a few choices to find out the right one. What is the bigger vision for yourself? Okay, is this choice going to make a difference and a positive impact in your community, in the world? And remember that you are in control of your choices. Guys, you fire me up. Let's keep on going. Whatever you guys have got for ideas, for videos, for Wake Up Wednesdays, then put it in the description below. I'm here to serve you and to help you, guide you through this magical world that sometimes can be really tough at the same time, called life. My name is Rebecca Louise. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.